It's officially hurricane season, so we're here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast to find out how folks are preparing. Sir, what is your hurricane plan?
I got 3 words for you. Snake-proof shoes.
Can you help me understand?
Well, if it floods, I don't want snake bites.
Or you could just evacuate. Hi, ma'am, what is in your hurricane evacuation kit?
It's refillable.
Oh, perfect. Water is essential in any hurricane evacuation kit.
This isn't for water.
All right, please reconsider. Sir, you look familiar. Sir, can you tell me about your evacuation route?
I'm going to where the crawfish bowl is. I need my emergency snacks.
Oh, please reassess. Also, not shelf stable. Ma'am, have we spoken before?
No.
All right, so where will you go in an evacuation and how will you get there?
Probably Horn Island. It is beautiful out there, and I will definitely be taking my boat.
That is a terrible idea. Always evacuate away from the hurricane.
I'm ready for my interview.
No! We're done here. Folks, you need to know your evacuation route. You need a real emergency kit. Go to gomdot.com/hurricanes to learn how to actually prepare and evacuate. Because clearly, this is not working.
Man, who ate all the emergency crawfish?